Mamma mia!
Even though pizza is a traditional Italian dish, National Pizza Day is most commonly celebrated in the United States, where it's gained popularity over the years, especially among pizza chains and lovers. Americans take the top spot in terms of pizza consumption. On average, Americans consume about 350 slices of pizza per second. Just think about it, 350, insane. Obviously, it's celebrated in Italy, the birthplace of pizza. La pizza non si discute, si ama. Pizza is not to be debated, only loved. Sì, sì.
Chupita vodka.
Sí, porque el café es muy aburrido. Vamos a tomar vodka. Es mejor.
De droga.
Por felicidad. Y aventuras.
Es agua, tonto, el agua.
Sí, exacto.
No vodka? Always confusing Reddit.
Yo pienso como calfar es...
Modern pizza was invented in Naples, Italy, in the late 18th century. Italian culture celebrates pizza all year round, especially with events like Pizza Day festivals. Pizza didn't become widely popular outside Italy until Italian immigrants brought it to the United States in the late 19th and early 20th century. It took off in places like New York, and soon pizza chains like Domino's and Pizza Hut spread it all over the world. Pizza Hut, one of the first large pizza chains, was founded in 1958 in Kansas, and Domino's followed in 1960. They helped turn pizza into the global phenomenon it is today. Pizza also has got ancient origins. Flatbreads with toppings were consumed in many ancient cultures. The Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans all had versions of flatbreads that were topped with various ingredients like oils, herbs, and cheeses. Other pizza-loving countries are Canada, UK, Australia, Spain, and Russia. The last two countries I know better, and I eat quite a lot of pizza there.
I have eaten already one piece. Here you can see. How many pieces have you eaten? Half pizza. Okay, Mandel is faster than me. I have eaten one piece only. Yes, really. I have eaten only one piece. Okay, he has eaten already half pizza. So I'm cheating. I'm a cheater. I don't eat the crust. Look at the artwork in Navidad. It's shining already. You see the lights? It's beautiful. Amazing. I love Christmas time in Spain. It's very nice. Yes. The decorations. And the combination, you see the palms. You are on holidays at the same time.
What is different from Russian Christmas?
Okay, you don't have snow. My Christmas is not on December 21st. My Christmas is January 7th.
For them, 24, 25 is go to the
No, it's normal day.
So you don't know when Jesus Christ was born? Or what?
Jesus Christ, was born 7th of January in Orthodox religion. I'm Orthodox. I believe.
It was not 25?
I believe in different.
I know.
And we don't have three games, but we have Dead Marlos. It's abuelo and grandfather with gray hair, and he has a granddaughter, Снегурочка, and she's helping.
Sure, we are talking about the same thing.
She's helping him to bring presents to good children.
I mean, Christmas. What did
I'm talking about New Year.
Oh,
Always we get presents of New Year. Do you have napkins?
We can take
Yes.
later.
I see. Chocolate napkins.
Russia doesn't have an official National Pizza Day, but doesn't stop Russians from loving pizza. I love pizza. Pizza has become super popular in my country, with local chains like Dodo Pizza and Papa John's. Russia competing with global giants like Domino's and Pizza Hut. While there's no dedicated pizza holiday, Russians love a good reason to celebrate food. So some pizza places still offer discounts, special deals on February 9th. You may find some unique Russian pizza toppings, things like pickles, mayo, seafood, or even herring. In Spain, National Pizza Day isn't as widely celebrated as in the US or other countries, but pizza is still a very popular food there. Some pizza chains and local restaurants may offer special deals or discounts on National Pizza Day, similar to what happens in other countries. I met Spanish friend, a huge pizza lover, and we celebrated a pizza day visiting a local pizzeria. Mandel used to be a competitive eater. There are lots of food challenges on his channel, and it's always easy to eat a lot more than you can in his company. Slice after slice, we enjoyed every bite. It was a true pizza feast.
You are on the plane, I'm on the donkey.
Esta es un poco la que están comiendo los chicos, ¿no? Vamos a ver el tamaño. Sí, el tamaño está bien. La tubería no sigue ese tamaño.
Esta la tele muy pollo.
Oh my god, I can put some back here.
¿Porciones tienes?
This every
Pizza can definitely be healthy, but it depends on how it's made and what toppings you choose. Here is how you can make pizza healthier. Go for a whole wheat crust, this gives you more fiber and nutrients. Simple swap makes a difference. Veggie toppings like spinach, mushrooms, tomatoes, you will boost your vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Lean proteins, and instead of pepperoni or sausage, you may add grilled chicken or turkey. Try to be moderate with cheese. It's extremely delicious, but yeah, use lighter cheeses like part skim mozzarella. Less sauce, more flavor. Olive oil, pesto, garlic sauce. And balance with portion control. A couple of slices of a healthy pizza can fit into a balanced diet, but eating the whole pie may not be the best option, even if it's healthier. While pizza can definitely have some healthy elements, it's important to be mindful of the ingredients and how much you are eating. With the right choices, pizza can be a fun, delicious, and somewhat nutritious meal.
Está mono mucho. Mucho.
Original.
Maybe just said.
How can we celebrate National Pizza Day? Go to a pizzeria or go home and make pizza yourself. Homemade pizza is amazing with your family or dear cat and dog and other animals you keeping. Try a new flavor because pepperoni can't be your only personality. You can host a pizza party, eat pizza with your friends, but if you don't have friends, no problem. Enjoy pie alone, no shame. Roll out some dough, pile on so much cheese it looks like science experiment. Go crazy, it's fun. Take a second to appreciate the heroes who brought pizza into our lives. Take a pizza selfie for Instagram, obviously. If you didn't post your pizza, did you even eat it? Snap that perfect cheese pull shot. Add the cheesy caption like "Slice, slice, baby." And let the world know you are celebrating National Pizza Day in style. I feel like on a show now. And the night in a pizza coma. No regrets. After all that eating, it's time for a well-earned food coma. Curl up in bed, dream of marinara rivas, mozzarella clouds, wake up ready to do it all over again and conquer the world.
Yo no. Oye, la cogió, está cerca. Pon donde quieras. No hay más sitio. ¿Ahora está? Supongo que sí, ¿por qué no? ¡Tachán! Ahí, już tu warga z magicją.
Excuse without it, they disposable the price.
You want a piece of pizza?
The price
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. You give this one. You will have this one.
Vale, que quiero.
Very nice.
Picante.
Picante. Ah, ¿lo dices para yo? Ah, yo pensé que...
Sí, ya sí.
Como ya me pareció que era más... Muchas gracias. Que tengo
Bon
nada.
appétit. De nada.
Venga, William.
Gracias. Voy a cachar. Это супер пицца! Here! Мега пицца! Так вообще никогда не было.
Вообще никогда. Чтоб такое себе купить тесто, во-первых. Все, больше я ничего не могу помочь. Даже какие
Press like on this video, por favor. It will help my channel and I will get motivated to create more videos for you. See you next time.